Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Here we are discuss several things, but one thing is very important for us, that is SQL command. हम लोग बहुत सारे बातें सुनते हैं कि SQL command और structured query language command for Oracle or any other type of database softwares, they follows the SQL command. अब ये SQL कमांड है क्या और कैसे करें? SQL कमांड एक्चुअली जहाँ पे भी डेटा स्टोर करना है उसे एक टैबुलर फॉर्मेट में करते हैं. देखिए यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली मैं क्वेरी में ही आई हूँ. यहाँ पे देखिए कुछ टेबल्स दिया गया है. टेबल्स का स्कीमा कस्टमर, मूवी, इनवॉइस. देयर आर 3 schemas is given. This schemas is only for the relations is given. At first we have to create this table, then we will insert some data there, then several queries we will follow. See here at first it is given the customer ID, F name, L name, area and phone number is given. Now how to create this? See the selected area, create table. So the creating table creation, the query is create space table, then table name, then within first bracket, here it is second line, that's why this 2 3 will come by default. Customer ID, that means one variable or one type of the attribute. After that the data type of that. Here it is written worker. Worker means variable character. Then the size, it was the primary key, so I defined that. Then F name, worker2, L name, worker2 10. Then area, phone number. When the number is given, there also default size may come, or you can give also the size. This way we create all these 3 tables. Just see this. Now in the third table, here the in reference of movie table or in reference of customer table, there the foreign key is also created. Just you see this. Tab create table, then table name, then one by one all attributes where the primary key space primary key. Then reference of some table attributes is given, that means the foreign key will establish. What is primary key, foreign key? This concept you can able to get from our theory lecture. Now after creating this table, the command I am giving DESC. DESC means describe the table. See here, describe customer, that means customer table will be described. That means how many attributes, how many of them, data types, and what is the constraint. That is the not null it is written. This is called constraint. So this is our how to create table. If you want to write down the command, just pause the video, write down the command also. It will be better for you to get it. So for SQL, one by one I am giving you the command. DESC means describe the table. V4 data insertion, just the table format will be, just the schema format will be. Now how to insert data. See here, insert into, then table name, then space values, then within first bracket, within single quote you have to give for worker, and in case of any type of, if you have integer, there you can give the single quotes or not. Here one thing you have to remember, एक चीज आप लोगों को याद रखना ही पड़ेगा. The thing is that when you are giving the single quotes and space, how many attribute you have in your table, that much area you have to define. Suppose there are 5 attributes. सो यहाँ पे भी आपको 5 ही देना है. अगर किसी में वैल्यू नहीं देना चाहते तो स्पेस दे के छोड़ दीजिए, ब्लैंक छोड़िए, लेकिन एलोकेट करना पड़ेगा बीच में कमा और सिंगल ब्रैकेट इन कोट्स के अंदर. So whatever the data you will insert, how many attribute you have and how many you have to insert, that must be same, else you cannot. Just follow this. This way one by one will be inserted. Are you getting? I think. Now after insertion, I have to see what will be inserted. So for that, select star from then table name. First one table was customer, so I give here customer. Then the semicolon. Each and every line will be ended. When command will be ended, then the semicolon will be given. That is the end parameter. See, select means it will select. Star is the asterisk. It will select all the data from customer table. I think it is clear right now. So it will display you the all detail of customer table. See here how many attributes was, and under there what's the data was there. Similar for the next one table, next one also. Now I come to first query. Find the name of all customers having A as the second letter of F name. So where the F name was? Customer table. So select F name from customer. But here one constraint is given where F name is like second character. That's why first one is I am giving space, then A. If it was first character, then A, then space we will give. But here I am giving the first one. I think it is getting. Just follow. Now the second one. Find the movies whose price is greater than 150, lesser than 200. So the movie table we have to select title from movie where the price greater than 150 and price lesser than 200. Just follow. I am selecting each and every one. It will be better to understand. So you can able to get. Now the next one. Find the movies that cost more than 150 and also find new cost as original cost into 15. That means what the cost was, it will be new cost. The cost what was multiplied by 15. So the command will be select title price into 15 as new cost from movie where price greater than 150. मतलब 150 से जो भी ज़्यादा है उसका प्राइस न्यू कॉस्ट के हिसाब से हम लोग बढ़ा देंगे. Now rename the new column in the above query as new price. ये जो न्यू कॉस्ट वाला नया हुआ है मल्टीप्लाई करके 15, उसका नाम दे देंगे हम लोग न्यू प्राइस. कैसे करेंगे? Select price into 50 as new price from movie where price is greater than 150. So you can able to get. Now the question number 5. I am giving you here some queries. Just all types of queries is there. So here from if you follow this query, then you can also write down the queries. See the next one. List the movies in sorted order their titles. That means title को sorted order में we have to display. So here select title from movie ordered by title. Got it? Next one, that is print the name and type of the entire movie as kept horror movies. So horror movie जो है उसे छोड़ के So see here, select title type where from movie where type lesser than greater than horror. That means not equal to. Okay. Now the 7th one. Calculate the square root of the price of each movie. So select SQRT, that is the square root function. Within this I am writing the price from movie. So whatever the price will be, their square root price will be displayed. Now divide the cost movie Home Alone by difference between its price and 100. That means जो भी प्राइस है उसको -100 करके हमें दिखाना है. See here, select price divided by price minus 100 as required answer from movie where title equal to Home Alone. Next one, list the movie number, title, type of the movies whose starts begin with the letter M. First one was second character. See, it is the first character. Here only the capital M is given. Same thing, select what the column they need. Movie number, title, type. If any more, then also from movie where star like M percentage. So any letter then percentage gives you the first letter. Space then that will gives you second letter. That way you can carry on. I think you can able to get. So all that there, select means I am selecting. Then all the attributes or column name you have to give from the tables, whatever the table you will do. Then the constraint where then the condition we have to give. I think you can able to get. Now the question number 10 we have to follow. Question number 10 is given that list of MV number in invoice number of customers having invoice number lesser than I05 from the I in 05 lesser than. Okay, so select movie number, this all the attributes from invoice table where invoice number is lesser than I05. Okay. Now the question number 11, count the total number of customers. Here just I have to give the count function overall. So that's why I am giving asterisk. Select count star from customer. That means all the number of customers will be counted. No thing is there, all selection. Now calculate the total price of all movies. Select sum. Within the sum function, the price is given from movie table. So the total price will be sum up and displayed to you. So after 12, I think you can able to get. Now the 13 number, calculate the average. Here also within the average function, we have to give the price of all movies. See here, it will gives you the average. Now question number 14, determine the maximum minimum of movie price. Rename the title max price and mean price respectively. So select max within max function price as max price and mean within function mean price as mean price from movie. So it will display you that way. Now question number 15. I am going through so rapidly. But if you have to understand, there one thing I will request you, do it simultaneously or write down the command. Here the all types of commands I am giving. That's why I give you that after listening this all video, you will be the master. Little bit you can able to do. But that's why I am once again telling, follow simultaneously, write down. If you need, go through twice or pause the video, write down command, then go forward. Now question number 15. count the number of movies having price greater than or equal to 150. That means greater than 150. So here also what we have to find? Count. So select count star all from the movie where price is greater than 150. I think you can able to get. Now the next one, print the type and average of each movie. Type with an average function, I am giving the price from movie. Group by type. This group by is known as aggregate function. In our theory lesson, you will get that elaborately. Group by gives you the grouping of all the type. That means several type may be, but it will take the all different types. Now, question number 17. Find the number of movies in each type. Here also by giving the group by counting star. Next one, question number 18. Calculate the average price for each type of has maximum price 150. Select type average price from movie where price is less than equal to 150. Group by type. That's where the similar. Here the two way you can represent. Next one is also given on the screen. You can follow. Now the 19 number. Calculate the average price of all movies where type ID, comedy or thriller and the price greater than or equal to 150. Select average price from movie where price is greater than equal to 150. Group by type having comedy or type thriller. Next, another way you can represent is also select average price from, there is a sub query I am giving. Select star from movie where price is greater than 150 and type is comedy or thriller. See here, this is a sub query. That means a chota part of the query. Then group by type. So within the bracket, a part is connected. It is only grouped by and I am displaying the average price. I think you can able to get. One thing more I have to tell you. If you have any queries, then don't do anything more. Just give us command. We will try our level best to solve the problem. Now the question number 20. Find out the movie number which has been issued to even. So here select movie number from customer invoice. Both table we have to find out because the even issued that will be from customer table and obviously we have to join this two table. Here the two table name I am giving, that's why it is joining, where customer.customer ID equal to invoice.customer ID and IMFM equal to even. Now question number 21. Find the name and movie number. Here also we have to join. See here when from I am selecting, see that's quote, select F name, I name or others attribute from both the table, then the constraint is given. Now come to the question number 22. Select title, customer ID, movie number, all movies that are issued. Here also I am joining two tables, select all the thing. Then two tables I am selecting from movie number. It is the joining, conditional joining. Movie number and invoice.movie number. We are just, it will be matched, then it will be joined and that will display the all. Got it? Now come to question number 22 is done. 23. Find out the title and type of all movies that are issued. That means here also all the title type we have to find out. Select that those. Then from this three table I have to join here. So here customer.customer ID, invoice.invoice ID and movie.movie number, invoice.movie number. Then I am giving if name equal to Bandana. So you are getting 3 tables right now joined. Everywhere we have to satisfy the condition, then only the joining will be happened. Both way it can be solved. The 25 question command question, just follow it. Find out which customer having issued movie number 9. Select F name, L name from customer, where customer ID equal to select customer ID from invoice, where movie number equal to 9. This is the question number 25. Now the question number 26 is coming. Find out the customer name and area from invoice I-10. Here also I need F name, L name, area from customer, where customer ID equal to select customer ID from invoice table, where invoice number equal to I-10. This is a subquery is given. Now question number 27, which can be solved 2 way. I am giving that 2 way also. Just you go through the screen. Find the customer name, phone number having issued before the month of August. See here, one subquery, customer ID, select customer ID from invoice table, where the issue date is lesser than that 1st August 2016. Here it is given. Maybe any other date you can follow. Now, if I find out that will be goes to the outer query, select F name, L name and phone number from customer, where customer ID, that will be the selected name from the subquery. And another way you can solve this, both way I am giving on the screen, just follow it. Now the 28 number question, find out the name of the movie issued on Bandana and even. Select title from movie, where movie number equal to select, the subquery is coming within brackets, select movie number from invoice, where customer ID in, then select customer ID from customer, where F name equal to बंदना एंड इवन. इसमें क्या हो रहा है आपको मैं एक ग्रिप में 1 मिनट में बता देती हूँ. हर जगह में जो टेबल जो एट्रीब्यूट लेना है उसको सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. फिर अगर कहाँ से ले रहे हैं उस टेबल नेम को देना है. अगर मोर देन 1 हो तो उसको कंडीशन देकर ज्वाइन कर लेना है. फिर जिस चीज़ को लेना है, कॉन्स्टेंट जो है, जो हमारे कंडीशन है, उसको देना है. अगर वो कंडीशन किसी दूसरे क्वेरी से मुझे उठाना है, उसे सब क्वेरी में दे देना है. अगर कोई ज्वाइनिंग से दोनों से मैच करके हो सके तो उस तरीके से लेना है. तो एक्चुअल वे ऑफ दिस, हमें पहले क्या क्या चाहिए उसे सिलेक्ट करेंगे, कहाँ से ले रहे हैं वो टेबल्स नेम देंगे, फिर कंडीशन देंगे. यही है 1 लाइन इन ब्रीफ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. अब मैं डिफरेंट तरीका बता रही हूँ, डिफरेंट क्वेरीज देने से कैसे कैसे उसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं, ताकि आप ऑल टाइप्स को समझ जाए. So the 28, it is over right now. So I think you can able to get. Now I am going to listen the 29. Before that I have to tell you one thing more. Just go through it once, twice. If you have any queries, you can ask us. We will try our level best to solve it. Now come to the next query. That is our 29th number. So you can able to get how many queries we are going through. Every type will be solved within this lecture. This is list of movie number, movie name, issued, all customer. So here in subquery I am keep taking select movie number from invoice, because there is no customer, all customers is given. Now select movie number title from movie, where movie number is from invoices I am taking. I think you can able to get invoice से जो भी मिल रहा है उसको हम लोग इस क्वेरी में डाल रहे हैं और इसका आंसर ले रहे हैं. इसको और एक तरीके से ले सकते हैं. आप फॉलो द स्क्रीन. नाउ द कम टू द 30th. Find out the type, movie number and movie issued, customer ID A01 and A02. Here, select movie number type from movie, where movie number equal to select movie number from invoice table, where customer ID is 1. And also the same way we have to give 2 also. That's why I'm joining it by giving intersection that way. Now the 2 and 3, this 1 and 2, this all invoice customer IDs is finding out the similar to just query we have to write, and we will punch it. I think you can able. Just follow the screen. Now the 31, find out if the movie is starting Tom Cruise is issued to the customer, and print the customer ID to whom it is issued. Select customer ID from invoice where movie number equal to, in subquery I am taking select movie number from the movie ticket, movie where star equal to Tom Cruise. That way we will find out the customer ID. Here all the outputs is also given. So therefrom you can study. Now the 32, find out the last name then first name whose has been issued movies. So here all the customer ID from invoice we have to find out. Then it will be goes to the customer tables, F name and L name we will find out. Now question number 33. There I am giving display the invoice number and day 1 to each customer who's issued a movie. Select invoice number, 2 character. I'm making a 2 character to issue date and day. That's why it will be goes to the Friday, Saturday, because that way we are changing this. Here the data type is changing from the invoice table. Now for 34, display the month customer returned the movie. Supposed to return the movie. Here also I'm changing 2 character, the months is given from the invoice table. Now from question number 35, find out the day 50 days after current days. Select S date current date plus 15 from dual. From dual it will gives you the current dates wise the date. Find out the number of days between issue date and return date for the movie of all customers. So what we have to find out, the select the date of issued as dates from invoice. Return days minus issue date. That way we are finding out the difference. Now for 37 also you can able to get here the change of even it is given the phone number updation. Update table, update customer, set the phone number from the conditions is given. Now for 38, see here, this is given. Before starting once again I am telling, at the end we are about ending is coming. So if you think it helps you, don't forget to like and share this video to all of your friend circle, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get all the notification at first. Now come to the 38 number. Change the issue date customer ID as A01 and to the 24/7/16 update invoice. Set issue date equal to date. Then the date is given. That way it will be gives you the detail. So the next one query 39 gives you the change the price and movies. Update movie set price equal to 250 where title is Home Alone. So it will update one row, and when we print the select star from the movie or invoice or any other table, it will gives you the detail. Now the delete command. Whenever you have to delete a record, then we have to show the delete a record from such and such is given, delete from invoice table where invoice number is given. Now one row is deleted. Now when I select start from invoice, it will display, and if you tally the first one before deleting and next the default after deleting, you will get the record is deleted. Now all record, if I have to delete, then delete all records having return date before 10th July 2016. Then delete from invoice where return date is lesser than this. Then 4 or 5 all are deleted. So after the end, we create several commands. If you have any more query, give us command. So at the end of the lecture, end of the video, I have to tell you, any queries, give us command. And thank you for listening this video. Thanks a lot.